Hey everybody, so we did solving exponential equations. Now we're going to do solving log equations. All right, here's the thing on solving log equations that we've got to remember. Okay, there's going to be extraneous roots. So what that means is there will be numbers that don't work. So we have to check our answers. That's what an extraneous root means. It's an extraneous root means that there's an answer that's not in the domain. Okay, so just check your answers. All right, so we did one like this before. Let's do it again. We're going to rewrite it using exponential. So 2 to the 7th equals 6x minus 4. 2 to the 7th is 128 equals 6x minus 4. 128 is a constant, so I'm going to move this constant over with the opposite operation. I get 6x equals 128 plus 4. I get 132. And then that 6 is being multiplied. And the opposite of multiply is divide. So 132 divided by 6 is 22. All right, let's check it. Log 2, 6 times 22 minus 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out what this number is. Log 2, 6 times 22 minus 4 is 128. All right, in my calculator, I'm going to use the change of base formula, and I'm going to do log 128 divided by log 2. The change of base formula is the bottom row. Okay, and I get 7. So this one works. There's going to be times where it doesn't work, I promise. All right, so here, adding means multiply. So log x times x is 15 equals 2. Okay, remember there's an invisible 10 right there. So hang on real quick before we do that. Let's multiply this. X times x, x squared, x times 15, 15x equals 2. All right, then there's an invisible 10 right there, so we're going to rewrite it. 10 squared equals x squared 15x. All right, and now we have a quadratic. And I know it's a quadratic because that's squared right there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it equal to 0 and solve. So 10 squared is 100. And so I need to move that over. Put them over there. So I get 0 equals x squared plus 15x minus 100. And I need to figure out multiplies to give me negative 100, adds to give me 15. Twenty times 5. Let's try it. 20 times 5 is 100. And then 20 plus negative 5 is positive 15. So that works. So this guy factors to x plus 20 minus 5. And so I'm going to set each factor equal to 0. And so I get x equals negative 20, x equals positive 5. But I've got to check. All right, so what I'm going to do right here is, okay, I'm going to type in my calculator. Log negative 20 plus log negative 20 plus 15. So everywhere there was an x, here I put in negative 20. Okay, and it didn't work. Okay, let's try Instead of writing negative 20, let's write 5. So everywhere there was an x, here, let's write 5 and see what happens. Okay, and I get 2. So negative 20 is an extraneous solution and does not work. So the only solution that works is 5. So we have to check our work. Negative 20 is an extraneous solution. It doesn't work. All right, here, subtraction means division. So we're going to do log 7 x squared minus over 2 equals 1. All right, first I need to simplify that guy. So I need to factor. See if I can factor x squared minus x minus 6. Multiplies give me 6. Adds give me negative 1. And we're going to pray that one of them is that plus 2. So let's do 2 times something. 2 times 3 is 6. And then negative 1, so negative 3. 2 times negative 3, negative 6. 2 plus negative 3, negative 1. So that top guy is x plus 2, x minus 3. So I have log 7, x plus 2, x minus 3. Then that x plus 2 on the bottom equals 1. And these guys cancel. What I have left with is log 7 with x minus 3 equals 1. I need to rewrite it so it's 7 to the first power equals x minus 3. Okay, well, 7 to the first power is 7. Okay, I need to get x all by itself, so I'm going to add 3 to both sides. And so I get x equals 10. I need to double check it. Trust, it's an event to check. So my suggestion is, okay, notice we got a positive 10 here. It works, by the way. Here, we got a negative 20, a positive 5. The positive 5 worked. Here, we got a positive 22. The positive 22 worked. Anybody notice which problem or which solution did not work? Was there a pattern? The positive 10 worked. The positive 5 worked. Negative 20 did not work. Positive 22 worked. So my suggestion is this. If you have a negative number, check it to make sure it really works. Positive number, 98% of the time it's going to work. Unless you there's some error in your math. All right, so go do the few homework problems and practice this. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.